What is emergency contraception? Emergency contraception is a method that we use using a drug or any other device to prevent the pregnancy after unprotected or inadequately protective act of coitus. So, this can also be used with expected failure of the contraceptive. Now, what are the indications? If there is presence of unprotected coitus without contraception, sexual assault without effective contraception, incorrect use of contraception, concern about contraception failure like condom has broken down, there is slippage of condom, missed pill, too much delayed injectable contraceptive, and improper use of diaphragm cervical cap, and if there is expulsion of IUCD and implant. So, the method was first gained popularity in the 1970s as morning after pill, also called as postcoital contraception. So, what is morning after pill? This is an easy pill, also known as a levonorgestrel pill. So, this pill contains levonorgestrel in a dose of 1.5 milligram, and it is sufficient to cause emergency contraception. Now, this levonorgestrel has to be taken within 72 hours, and this comes under the name Easy Pill, which is available free of cost under family planning program. Now, there are varieties of emergency contraceptives available. This can be, as we already have discussed, hormonal pill like levonorgestrel. OCPs can also be used. For OCP, we can either use a high dose OCP which contains ethinyl estradiol in a dose of 50 microgram and levonorgestrel 250 microgram, or a low dose hormonal pill can be used where the dose is just like a normal mala N pill and the ethinyl estradiol is 30 microgram, LNG is 150 micrograms. So how are you going to use a low dose pill and a high dose pill? So high dose OCP pill taken 2 tablets as soon as possible after the coitus, and 2 tablets 12 hours after within 72 hours. So within 72 hours हमें क्या करना है, 2 पिल लेनी है, उसके 12 आवर्स के बाद 2 पिल रिपीट करनी है. जबकि लो डोज कॉन्ट्रासेप्टिव में क्या है, हमारा कंपोनेंट्स जो है वो कम अमाउंट में है, तो लो डोज पिल्स को हमें 4 लेना है. ठीक है, तो 4 टैबलेट्स आर टेकन and after 12 hours we have to repeat the 4 tablets, and this should has to be done within 72 hours. So levonorgestrel का हमने पता करा कि levonorgestrel जो होती है 1.5 मिलीग्राम आती है, या तो हम लोग सिंगल डोज ले सकते हैं विदिन 72 आवर्स, या फिर अगर हमारे पास में 0.75 मिलीग्राम है तो हम क्या करेंगे, 2 पिल्स लेनी होती है, मतलब 1 पिल हमें लेनी है अभी और 1 पिल लेनी है आफ्टर 12 आवर्स विदिन 72 आवर्स. सो इस तरीके से हमारी लेवोनॉर्जेस्ट्रल जो कि एक प्रोजेस्टेरोन ओनली पिल है, एंड कंबाइंड ओसीपी जो कि COCPs हैं जिसमें एस्ट्रोजन प्रोजेस्टेरोन दोनों कंपोनेंट होता है, हाई डोज एंड लो डोज में, वो हमें लेना होता है. कंबाइंड एस्ट्रोजन प्रोजेस्टेरोन पिल का जो मैथड होता है उसको क्या बोलते हैं, यूस्पीज मैथड बोलते हैं. फिर नेक्स्ट कम्स इज उलिप्रिस्टिल. व्हाट इज यूलिप्रिस्टिल? यूलिप्रिस्टिल इज एन एंटी प्रोजेस्ट्रॉन एंड मिफिप्रिस्टोन is also included, and the dose of ulipristal that we advise, so this is written wrong, it is not a GnRH antagonist, it is anti-progesterone drug, and it comes in a dose of 30 milligrams, and it should be used within 5 days of unprotected intercourse, so the duration is up to 120 hours. Mifepristone can also be taken in a dose of 50 milligrams single dose. So mifepristone 50 milligrams single dose can also be advised. Now coming to mechanical devices. Mechanical devices includes intrauterine contraceptive devices which can be used up to 5 days within unprotected intercourse. So levonorgestrel and OCPs are to be taken within 3 days or 72 hours, while the rest like ulipristal, intrauterine copper T device and mifepristone can be taken up to 120 hours or 5 days. Now coming to the mechanism of action. Mechanism of action of emergency contraceptive is to delay or prevent ovulation and prevent fertilization. But if implantation has already occurred, then it does not prevent implantation. So the main mechanism of action is delaying or preventing ovulation and preventing fertilization. So timing we have already discussed. The side effect includes nausea, vomiting, breast tenderness, headaches, and dizziness, bleeding and spotting.